round 39, slip stitch on next 2 stitches. That's 1, 2, and single crochet into the space. And mark this single crochet as the beginning and ending of the round, as well as the beginning of the repeating stitches. Chain 1 and 3 double crochet shell on the next space. That's 1, 2, and 3. Complete the shell by chain 1 and 3 more double crochet on the same space. Chain 1. So mark this chain 1 as the end of the repeating stitches. So you will repeat from single crochet to this stitch right here to chain 1 and repeat them all around. Repeat by making single crochet on the next space, chain 1, and 3 double crochets on the next space. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and 3 more double crochets on the same space. 1, 2, and 3. Then chain 1 and repeat. That's the way it looks. At the end of the round, we find out that we need an extra loop here to complete the shell. So since we don't have enough loop, we are going to make the single crochet on top of the single crochet here to create one more loop to complete one more shell. So then just chain 1 again and double crochet on the last space or loop 3 times, chain 1 and 3 double crochet on the same loop, then chain 1 and slip stitch on the beginning single crochet. And that's the end of round 39. So we will break off the yarn at this point, leaving 10 inches yarn tail, 10 or more, to weave this end and hide the tail through the stitches. And pull this tail out and tighten the stitch to fasten off. Use a tape string needle to hide the yarn tail on the wrong side of the shrug and weave it in to the dense stitches of the shell.